In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best working Dyson coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. So first of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Dyson coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called GoShare. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes and discounts that we can use. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this 5 to 15% discount. So all you need to do is just select this button where it says Get Voucher. And after that, you can simply select the button where it says Go to Dyson, and you will be redirected to the website, and the discount will be applied automatically. Also, we have right here this website, which is called Wired. And as you can see right here, we also have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say right here, for example, that you want to get this 20% discount of Dyson products. So all you need to do is just select this button right here where it says Copy Coupon Code. And for this one, there is no coupon code required, so you basically need to select the button where it says view discount at Dyson, and you will be redirected to the website where the discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.